Hi children, I am your Max Miss Santa Sheila. I hope all are safe in your home. Welcome to the 9th standard class. Let me see the first chapter, Set Language. Chapter 1, Set Language. Set Language Introduction. Now we see the Set Language Introduction. Set. First, what is the meaning of set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. For example, the collection of all colors in rainbow, the collection of prime numbers. These are the sets. Some notations are given here. A set is usually denoted by capital letters. The set is denoted by the capital letters, the English alphabets A, B, B, Q, X, Y, etc. letters. The elements of a set is written with a curly bracket. This is the curly bracket. If X is an element of a set A or X belongs to A, we write X, this symbol is called belongs to A. If X is not an element of set A or X does not belongs to A, we write X not belongs to A. Example, consider the set A equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Then 2 is an element of A. 2 is in A. So, this is the element of A. We write 2 belongs to A. Next example, 6 is not an element of A because 6 not in the set. So, we write 6 not belongs to A. Next, descriptive form. In descriptive form, a set is described in words. Example, the set of all the vowels in English alphabets. The set of whole numbers. You write must the set of. Next type, set built as form or rule form. In set built as form, all the elements are described by a rule. Example, A equal to, you write the curly bracket, X such that or whereas. The symbol is such that or whereas. X is a vowel in English alphabet. B equal to, curly bracket, X such that whereas, using this symbol or this symbol. X is a whole number. This type of you write the set means set built as form or rule form. Next we see the roster form or tabular form. A set can be described by listing all the elements of the set. Example, A equal to A, E, I, O, U. This like you write me, that is the roster form. Now we see the exercise 1.1. 1.1. Which of the following are sets? First is given here the collection of prime numbers up to 100. You count these numbers. You know that 1 to 100 how many prime numbers? You know that. So it is a set. Next, the collection of rich people in India. This is not countable. It is not possible to countable the set. So it is not a set. The collection of all rivers in India. You know that the answer. So it is a set. Next, the collection of good hockey players. This is all are know this good hockey players is not a, it is not a set. So it is not a set. உங்களால் கவுண்ட் பண்ண முடியும், ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ண முடியுன்ற திங்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் செட்ஸ், இல்லைன்னா அது செட்ஸ் கிடையாது. தட்ஸ் ஆல். லிஸ்ட் த செட் ஆஃப் லெட்டர்ஸ் ஆஃப் த ஃபாலோயிங் வேர்ட்ஸ் இன் roster form. You know that already. you write in the curly, inside the curly bracket you write the letters means roster form. Here given India. So first letter I you write N, D, you put the comma between the letters. I is already you written, so don't write again, write only one time. So INDA, close the curly bracket. Second one, parallelogram. P is written here, A written, comma R, comma L, comma E, comma O, comma G, comma M. These letters only comes one time. Repeatedly don't write the letters. Next, Mississippi. You write M, I, S. Again S comes, don't write. I also write. S also written. S also written. So P only missing. So P write. Close the curly bracket. Next, this word C written first. Czechoslovakia. C written. Z, comma E, comma C already written. So don't write. H, comma O, comma S, comma L, comma O already written, so don't write. Next V, comma A, comma K, comma I. A already written, leave it. Close the brackets. The third sum, consider the sets. A equal to 0, 3, 5, comma 8. B equal to 2, comma 4, comma 6, comma 10. And C equal to 12, 14, 18, 20. Now state whether true or false. 18 belongs to C. 18 is in the C set. So 18 in the C sets. It's a true. Next, 6 not belongs to A. See the set A. 6 not belongs to A. So it's a true. Next, 14 not belongs to C. 14 is comes in the set C. So it's a false. Fourth one, 10 belongs to B. See the set B. 10 is in the B set. So it's a true. Next, 5 belongs to B. See the B set. It's not comes the 5 in B. So it's a false. Next, 0 belongs to B. See the set B. 0 not come in the set B. So it's a false answer. Fill in the blanks. 3 belongs to 3. The number 3 belongs to the A set. So you write A set. 14 belongs to 14 number comes in the set C. So you write C here. C here. Next, 18 dash B. 18 comes B or not? Check it. The B set is 2, 4, 6, 10. Not common 18. So 18 not belongs to B. Next, 4 dash B. Check the 4 come in B. See the B set. 4 is come in the B set. So it's a 4 belongs to B. That's all.